how to fix your Joy-Con controllers not connecting to your Nintendo Switch 2. So whether you're having pairing issues, connection issues, or just charging issues in general, then I'm going to show you how we can go and fix all of these issues. Now, the very first thing we need to do is just go and disconnect our Joy-Con controllers from our Switch. So I'm going to use the release lock at the back of the Switch like so, and I'm just going to remove each of these individually. Now, once you've removed the Joy-Con controllers, just come around to the top of the controller and you'll see this small button here. We just need to go and press this to turn off the controller. We're also going to do the same for the second controller as well. So once again, this small circular button, just go ahead and press this and the LED light should turn off, indicating that the controller is now shut down. So once you've done that, we're going to come over to our Nintendo Switch, click on System Settings from this bottom navigation, scroll all the way down on the left-hand side and select System, and then just press System Update. Now, if there's any updates available for your Switch, you'll need to go and install these now. And once you've done that, we're going to perform a quick power cycle. Now, to do this, you need to hold down the power button located on the top of the Switch, and you need to hold this button down for around about 20 seconds. So you'll see all of the power options appear on the screen. Just go and ignore this and keep holding the button down until the screen eventually turns black. Once the screen's turned black, you can go and release that power button, and then you can just quickly press the power button once more to go and turn the Switch back on. Now, once the Switch is back on, we need to go and reconnect our controllers to the side of the Switch. Make sure, obviously, the blue controller is going to the blue side and the orange controller is going to the orange side. Now, once you've done that, go and load up your Switch, and we need to come back over to System Settings. We're then going to scroll down in this left-hand navigation and select Controllers and Accessories. Now scroll down to Update Controllers and click on this. And you'll just need to give that a few seconds while it goes and updates your Joy-Con controllers. After a couple of seconds, it will say update complete, and you can then close out of this window. Now, if it's still not working, the final solution is just to come back over to your home screen. We can then click on the Joy-Con controller icon at the bottom of this window, click on change grip/order, and then once again, we're going to remove the Joy-Con controllers from the Nintendo Switch. You may have to click back on change grip/order. And what you could do from here is once again, hold down the sync button on both of the controllers. So you can either do this at the same time or you can do each one individually. And if the controller is working, it should indicate a green LED light on that particular controller. Once both of the controllers display this green light, you can reattach them to the Switch, and that should have solved any connecting issues. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.